Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another super cute miniature little Mulberry classic today. So this is a mini Mulberry Alexa. We've got all the features of that classic Mulberry Alexa, just a tiny version. So we've got that plaited top handle, leather top handle, and then we have belted press stud fastens. So we've got two of those, one on either side of that flap closure. And then that's got a little miniature Mulberry postman's lock and a really lovely shiny gold tone. I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside, we've got a beautiful soft suede lining, and then we've just got one flat pocket at the back. So suede and leather interior. And then you can see we've got one little loop on either side there. And we also have a removable strap. So you can see those clips. Just clip onto each of those loops, but I'll show you that a little bit more when I show you the size. So the condition of this little mini Alexa is excellent. It's pretty much as new, unused. It's a perfect condition. I'll show you all around just so you can see what a lovely condition it is in. But there is no signs of wear, no marks, nothing like that at all. I'll open it up so you can see inside again. It's just pristine. Even the hardware, it's got no wear to it at all. I'll show you that strap as well. All of that strap is in a perfect condition. So that is why we've called it excellent all around. It comes with a few little bits. So we have the Mulberry card sleeve, and inside there we've got a Mulberry product tag with all that product info on there. And then we also have a little Mulberry care card. And then we obviously have the Mulberry dust bag to keep that perfect condition, nice and perfect while it's in storage. If you'd like to know the exact measurements for it, again, it's the size mini, but the exact measurements are going to be on our website. So if you click the link in the description below, that is the link to shop. I'll just get that lock fastened again. So that link in the description below is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, armcandybagco.com, and you'll find a few more details for it on there. If you click that link and it takes you straight to this bag, perfect, that means it's still available. But if you click that link and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if you are a Mulberry lover, or if you've been looking out for one of these specifically, just let us know, send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you'd love one of these and we'll get you on the request list. And as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. Get on there if you're interested in one of these. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and obviously you can have it just with that little top handle, which is really cute by itself, or for a little bit more practicality, you can pop this strap on as well. And so I'll just open it up so you can clip that on. Just undo those press studs, and then they just clip on the inside there, really nice and easily. You can pop that on both sides, like that. And then just pop it closed again. And you've got a nice shoulder or crossbody strap. The strap is adjustable, so we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute. So you've got the option to make it a little bit longer as well. So you can pop that on your shoulder, or you can pop it crossbody too. It's a really nice, comfortable leather strap. Obviously, a really cute, lightweight little bag. Perfect if you love the look of the Alexa, but it's a little bit too heavy for you. This miniature version is the perfect option, and it's in a gorgeous colour as well. I think the chestnut is a really nice colour for this. But if you are looking for a miniature Mulberry classic, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your pre-loved designer bags. All the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a read through there, like this video while you're here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.